Most oftentimes when we get neck or shoulder pain, we think of ways where we can stretch or massage directly into the neck and shoulders. However, most often when we have neck and shoulder pain, the problem isn't just pinpointed right there. It usually is a result of rigidity and stuckness in the upper spine. When we're constantly hunched over and we need to use our neck, then we're just overcompensating through the neck. So in the following short 5-minute practice, we're going to focus on how to mobilize and release tension through the upper spine so that we can release tension through our neck and shoulders as well. This will also be a more sustainable way to keep your neck and shoulder pain-free. Hi everyone, my name is Elaine Ouyang. I am a certified yoga therapist, bringing you yoga practices that are therapeutic and help you rise above your symptoms of chronic pain. Before we come into the practice, I'd like to invite you to grab my free Pain Care Yoga Starter Toolkit, where you'll get daily practice lessons under 5 minutes to kickstart your pain care yoga journey. You can grab it at the link below or over at my website, elaineyoga.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel to get more short form and practical yoga therapy tools to help you manage your chronic pain. Now let's dive into our neck and shoulder practice today. Oftentimes, neck and shoulder tension results from rigidity in the spine. We'll explore a practice today to help release tension through the upper spine. Begin in a reclined position with your legs supported by a chair, couch, or coffee table. With your head really heavy, slowly let your head roll over to your left side and coming back to center. And again, keeping your head heavy as you slowly roll your head over to your right side. The idea is that you want to move in such a way that you're using minimal tension in your neck and shoulders. It's almost as if you're moving underwater and you're not picking up your head to roll your head in any way. You're letting your head find new surface areas along the ground as your head rolls. If you feel any resistance as you roll your head, try not to push past the resistance or pick up your head to continue rolling over. Simply allow yourself to stop, notice where that is, and let yourself come back to center. Continue on, but an alternate position for your hands is to place them over your belly, especially if you also have a lot of shoulder tension. Keep your breath easy, natural, without any sense of urgency. Your head remains heavy and your facial features soft. Again, not pushing past any areas that feel tight, sticky, or resistant. Stopping and honoring and respecting the boundaries of your body as they are. And complete one more time on your right side. And as you come back to center, just let yourself rest here and pause for a few breaths. Now roll onto one side with ample support underneath your head, your knees bent up above your hips and your hands stacked. As you inhale, bring your top hand along your arm and chest, rolling back, and exhale, bring your hand to stack again. Inhale, let your hands swipe across your body, keeping your hand on your ribcage or chest, and exhale, return to your starting position. Inhaling, sliding across, keep your hand on your ribcage. Your ribcage will start to rotate up towards the ceiling, and exhale, return. On our final pose today, you're going to grab a block, place it behind you, assume that same position you were just in on your side. And rest your hands onto your waist. Let your elbow drop back onto that block or cushion that you have prepared for yourself behind you. So your elbow is not floating up, but rather leaning down into that support as you rest here. Continue with easy breaths in and out through your nose as you soften along your shoulder, chest, and upper back. Now include that slow, gentle head roll again here, but this time your head just going up towards the ceiling. Again, try not to push past any forms of resistance or stickiness as you continue to roll your head, keeping your neck with ease, little tension, and facial features soft. As you can see in this position, we are directing the rotation and the twist in the upper spine, which helps actually mobilize and release tension through the upper spine and rib cage, which has then direct effect in mobilizing the neck. Go ahead and do one more on your own here, keeping your breath easy and natural. And whenever you return with your head pointing towards the direction of your knees, you can rest for another couple of breaths. And then go ahead and repeat the last 2 exercises on your second side.